How to get subscription on Amazon Prime. Hi everyone, in this following tutorial I'm going to show you how you can get subscription on Amazon Prime. So in order to get a subscription on Amazon Prime, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. In order to get a subscription, you do not need to use an application. You can simply use a web browser. Either way, any web browser convenient for you, use that. Also make sure that you already have an Amazon account. With that, you can use it to create your or to get your subscription on Amazon Prime. Now go ahead and type in Amazon Prime Video, or you can just go ahead and type in amazon.com/Amazon Prime. Once you do that, you can see that I'm already logged in. So when you're logged in with your Amazon account, it's going to show you this kind of interface here. Go ahead and select start your free trial. Just tap on it, and the next page is going to direct you to where you can actually go ahead and select the planning. When you're creating a free trial, you do not need to pay any amount. All you have to do is just enter in your credit card details so that there will be some valid information. So once you do that, you need to go ahead and enter in your payment method. After that, provide in all of the necessary details such as your contact info, your personal details and all that, and then you'll be able to get a subscription on Amazon Prime. So in that way you can get subscription on Amazon Prime. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.